Hello, teachers and friends. My name is Goldiva, and today I'm going to be explaining the code of my online library project with my group mate Laura. Um, and this project was made with Replit AI. And right now, I'm going to be explaining some of the codes. So, how to open this code is you click Artifacts, then you get these folders. Then I click SRC, and right now I'm going to be explaining specifically the app.tsx file. So this file controls the overall structure of the application and manages navigation between different pages. It acts as the central controller that connects all parts of the website. Wait, here's the full code. This website contains several routes that determine which page is displayed to the user. Here they are. This route opens the home page, which is the main page users see when they first visit the website. This one. And for this one, the Books ID one, this route opens the book detail page where users can view more information about a selected book. The collections component opens the collection page, which users can browse different book collections. And for this one, the collections detail page, this route opens the collection detail page, which displays information about a specific collection. Now for the theme provider manages the appearance of the website that allows theme settings to be applied throughout the application. Query client provider, the query client provider helps manage and retrieve data efficiently, improving the performance of the website. For the tooltip provider, the tooltip provider enables tooltips which provide additional information to users when needed. And toaster, the toaster component displays notifications and messages to improve the user experience. Now, export default app. Overall, the app.tsx file serves as the foundation of the application by connecting all pages, managing navigation, and providing important features used throughout the website. Okay, so for the next half of my code explanation, before I was explaining the app.tsx file, now I'm going to explain the home.tsx file. So let me show you the full code first. There is around 160 lines of code. So this file, the home.tsx file, controls the main page of the website. So export function home. This file is responsible for displaying the main book collection and allowing users to browse books. This one, the query set query line, this section manages the search function. It stores the user's search input and updates the displayed results based on the search query. Next is this next line, const active genre line. This section manages the genre filter. Users can select different genres to view books from specific categories. So, like the one I explained, there's education, fantasy, horror, like that. Those are the different genres. Next is the use list books. This function retrieves book data. Depending on the user's actions, it can either load books from a selected genre or search for books using keywords. So that's when you search what you want to search. Like for example, You can search the books by the author's name or the book name. Next is the genre tabs. This component displays the genre buttons that allow users to switch between different categories. I guess allowing them to choose and change which one they want to choose. And next is the book cards. This component displays each book as an individual card, making the collection easier to browse and interact with. Basically making it easier for users to find which book they're looking for, right? Yes. Now for the collection section or the browsing section, this section updates the page title depending on whether the user is browsing books normally or searching for a specific book. Overall, the home.tsx file is responsible for the main browsing experience by providing search functionality, genre filtering, and displaying books in an organized layout. Thank you, teachers and friends, for listening to my code explanation. I've also explained how the website works and I tested it out on another video.